I had this one gentleman, he didn't have any plates on his car, and they called him into the court. And he was standing in the hallway, and the prosecution said, would you come over here, sir? I'd like to talk to you. He came in the office, and he sat down. And this party said to the prosecutor, what can I do for you? The prosecutor said, sir? He said, what can I do for you? He said, well, it's not what you can do for me. I'm the prosecutor. What do you want to do in this case? Well, I assumed there was something I could do for you. You called me in here. Well, what do you want to do? How do you want to plead on your case? Well, I don't intend to plead, sir. I intend to answer in the form of a demurrer, such that I do not acquiesce to quasi-jurisdiction, because that's an issue to be brought up in my pleadings and briefs to file with the court. The guy's mouth was on the ground. He said, are you an attorney, sir? He says, no, I'm a truck driver. The guy absolutely was in a panic. I had the same gentleman, later he was working as a bricklayer, and he did the same thing. Told the prosecutor he was a bricklayer, and the guy's jaw was on the ground. See, they don't anticipate that people that are in other jobs other than theirs have any brains. And it blows their doors off when all of a sudden this bricklayer or this truck driver can come in and argue law, and all of a sudden it's like, shoot, this guy is good. I have to treat him like he's an attorney. So what did this guy do? The first thing he does out of the chute, he walks up to the judge and he tells the judge, he says, Judge, I'm going to dismiss this case. Because he realized he was going to get hammered. And my guy says, he can't do that. I took day off work to come over here and battle. I told him, I said, shut up, sit down and relax, you won. Don't say nothing, you won. And the judge broke out laughing because this guy didn't want to quit. The judge turned to him and he said, well, evidently the prosecutor doesn't want to proceed, sir. I'm going to have to dismiss the case. He is the complainant. Can he do that, Judge? He can't do that. I'm here to battle. I want to go. Let's do it. And the judge laughed again. He says, well, apparently, sir, I cannot sustain a complaint that is not properly before the court. Counsel for prosecution has entered a motion to dismiss, and I have no other option but to dismiss. Now, if you want to countersue him, that's another case.